Hello guys, Apple Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we're unboxing the Apple Pencil 2. Okay, so as some of you may know, I have the 2017 iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil 1 that goes with it. But now, as some of you also may know, I got an iPad mini. And with that mini, you need the second generation Apple Pencil. And that's basically the norm for all the iPads that are sold right now, except for the very baseline iPad. So basically the way to know which Apple Pencil you need is, if your iPad has flat edges, so like this one, you see, flat edge, it supports this Apple Pencil 2nd generation. And if your iPad does not have flat edges, it will support the 1st generation one, that's the one with all the problems that you have to plug in like this, yeah. So this one's very nice. It attaches magnetically to the side of the iPad and has this touch surface which you can map to some gestures, so like just do it like this. You can change to the eraser or stuff like that. It also has a different finish that I personally like more. But yeah, so I bought this in Thailand, relatively cheap, like way cheaper than in Spain and the UK. Yeah, Apple Pencil on one side, Apple Pencil on the other. If you get this online, you can engrave it, which would have been nice, but I got it at the Apple Store, so no engraving for me. And at the back, actually, you have the connector here, which is, yeah, the way to connect it. And yeah, it's using one of the larger iPads, which is ironic because I have the iPad mini. But yeah, to open it, just peel off, like this and like that. Take off plastic and pull from here. Oh, and it comes out so easily. Nice. Okay, we leave this here, and then I'm back in California. What do we have? A quick start guide, I guess. We have so much paperwork. What is all this? Okay, yeah, bunch of stuff. Some Thai regulatory information. So I'm in Thailand and I bought this here. And yeah, glad it's in English. But yeah, basically this is how you charge it and stuff. But yeah, now onto the pencil itself. And if I can take it, this is nice. This is pretty nice. Okay, let's take off the plastic. Oh, it comes dirty. What is this? Okay, erased easily. And I love this finish, like it's more of a matte finish, whereas the other one, I don't happen to have it here, but I will do a comparison video between both of them. So subscribe if you don't want to miss it. But yeah, it's a matte surface, it's way nicer to the touch. I hate that it has to have this regulatory information in here. Hopefully you can see. But yeah, it says Apple Pencil on the front. And yeah, this is the touch surface that I was talking about. But yeah, enough of me talking, now let's pair it with the iPad. Okay, so what you would do is you would just do it like this. Put it here. Okay, so you put it here and just stick it. And that's it. You can see here something. Apple Pencil. Welcome to Apple Pencil. Create a quick note, scribble, touch with gesture, easily capture screenshots. Great. Try scribble. Okay, we'll try scribble. With your pencil handwriting. Hello. Ooh, nice. Okay, so this is where we can delete a word like this. Very nice. Continue. Explore, double tap. Use Apple Pencil here. Oh, that was supposed to be a heart. I don't know if you can see, but I can tell you it does not look like a heart. But see, like double tapping, you can switch between the pencil and the eraser, which is super convenient. It saves so much time. Now I can erase my heart and go back to the pen. What? I was gonna say the better one. This looks more like a heart, I guess. Okay, super nice. Done. So we have the Apple Pencil, and the great thing is that you can just put it here to charge it, and it will always be charged. And you can also carry it around like this and stuff, so that's pretty good. But yeah, now wait, let's go into notes and do something fun. Okay, so we're in notes now, and we're gonna try to draw something. I'm horrible at drawing. I can say super horrible, very bad. So yeah, we'll just draw, we'll do this and put it in blue, and we'll draw a river. Okay, nice river. And then we'll draw a sun. I want a big sun here. Okay, this looks nice. And now let's try to draw a boat on the river. Oh, I want to erase that, so I'll just do it like this. No. Okay, we'll just do like this instead. Okay, so a boat. How do we draw a boat? That's not horrible, I guess. Could have been worse. And then we'll draw myself in here. Happy with my new iPad and Apple Pencil. That's pretty funny. Okay, I love this drawing, I'm keeping it. Very nice, very, very nice. But yeah, as you can see, the Apple Pencil allows you to unleash your art and become great at drawing, like I just did. Like, look at this work of art. If you want to use it for something, if you want to print it, display it at your home, I'm happy for you to use it. Good artists just give out their art for free. So that's what I'm gonna do. But anyway, what I'm actually gonna do is finish up this video. So if you have any questions about the Apple Pencil 2nd generation, please leave them down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. And yeah, if you like this video, please thumbs up. And if you love Apple and like Apple videos in general, you can consider subscribing. Because as I said, I do a lot of Apple videos, and one of the ones I have coming is a comparison between the Apple Pencil 2 and the 1st generation one. So yeah, don't miss it, you don't want to miss it, so just subscribe. But yeah, for now, I'm just gonna finish up this video, so thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.